Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 10, tenths and hundreds on page number 143. Practice time. Now children, money from different countries. You know that the different countries use different currencies or different countries have different currencies. Now children, they are asking you, have you seen any notes or coins used in any other country? If you have seen the notes or coins used in any other country, then you have to write here yes or no. Now children, here Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. Children, here we get that how much Indian rupees we can get if we change the currency of other countries. Now children, here the first question is the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees. Now children, if you look here the chart of Indian rupees, which is the biggest number here? Here, yes, 77.76. This is the biggest value here. The money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? Pound will cost most in Indian rupees, and of which country pound is, children? England. So our answer will be, so here the answer is, children, England is the country whose money will cost more in Indian rupees, and that is pound. Now children, B part. Let us come to the B part. Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? Now children, here Mithun's gift from his uncle in America, how much rupees gift he has got? It is not in rupees, children, it is in dollars. How many dollars gift he has got? 10 USA dollars. Now children, cost of $1 is 39.70. Therefore, rupees, this is now in rupees. Now children, cost of $10 is equal to 39.70 rupees into 10. Now see children, here I am showing you the multiplication with the decimal number. 39.70 into 10. Simple multiplication we have to do, children. 10 zeros are 0, 10 sevens are 70, 10 nines are 90 plus 7 97, 10 threes are 30 plus 9 39. And see children, after this, as usual we have to do the multiplication, but keep in mind decimal point. The position of decimal point is after 2 digit, 1 2 1 2. So you have to place the decimal point in this answer. Now how much rupees it is, children? Cost of $10 in rupees will be 397 rupees. Now children, out of that rupees, how much money Mithun has used? Mithun used for school trip is equal to rupees 350. Now children, they are asking how much money was left with him. Now children, here see, out of this gift Mithun used for school trip is equal to rupees 350. Now money left with Mithun will be 397 minus 350, that is rupees 47. Understood children? Now coming to the C part. Now children, Majid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? Now children, Majid's father is working in UAE and Arun's father is working in Sri Lanka, and this Majid's father is getting 1000 dirham. So let's find the value of dirham in rupees. Let's find the value of Sri Lankan rupees in Indian rupees, and then we have to compare who is getting more Indian rupees as salaries. Now children, here Majid's father's salary is 1000 dirham. Cost of 1 dirham in Indian rupees is 10.80 rupees. Now children, therefore cost of 1000 dirham will be how much? Simply we have to multiply 1000 into 10.80 rupees. So if you multiply children, quick multiplication if you will do, this will be okay, this is the quick multiplication. Now decimal point after 2 digits. So this is how much Indian rupees children? 10,800 Indian rupees. This is the Majid's father's salary. Now we have to calculate Arun's father's salary in Indian rupees. Now here children, Arun's father's salary is equal to 2000 Sri Lankan rupee. Now cost of 1 Sri Lankan rupee in Indian rupees is 0.37 rupees. So children, cost of 2000 Sri Lankan rupee is equal to 2000 into 0.37 rupees. Now see children, here multiplication of these numbers we are going to do. 7 zeros are 0, 0, 0, 7 twos are 14, 3 zeros are 0, 0, 0, 3 twos are 6. If you add these all children, you will have 7, 4, 1, 2, 3. But decimal point we have to put 1, 2 digit after 2 digits. So how many rupees this is children? 740 rupees. The salary of Arun's father is 740 rupees. Now children, if you compare these two salaries, whose salary is more in Indian rupees? This 10,800 rupees or 740 rupees? Whose salary is more? Yes, Majid. So children, here we will write Majid father's salary is more in Indian rupees. Now children, D question we will see in the next video.